guys.
Time to do that.
Why?
Yeah,
This is Justin. We are going to get Justin's haircut and to Costco and to look at boats and RVs and maybe go play with Cade.
lunch.
And lunch, yeah. So Justin is just running into the dental office to pay a bill that we have there. And I'm so over this cold weather. It's getting ridiculous. It's still like super snowy out. It's cold. It feels like minus 26 today. It is April. So please, summer come. We're hoping that, you know, going to look at boats will bring some nice weather maybe. So I just dropped Justin off to get his hair cut. And me and Cade are going to Costco to get formula, and I think I need a hot dog. I love Costco hot dogs. I don't know about you guys, but they are delicious. And $1.50 gets you a hot dog and a drink, which is insane. Because I'm pretty sure like a meal at A&W costs like $13 now. Like you could go to a restaurant and get a full-blown meal for that, which is ridiculous. The price of everything is just getting so expensive. It's crazy.
It's got to be getting closer. There's got to be some rules.
Yeah.
Guys, he knows you're here. He'll be out right away.
Yeah, no worries. And then you can sit back like this.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that nice?
It's really cool.
Power speakers a little bit. Pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
Whole pile of idiots in there.
Yeah, you say you have one here?
Yeah.
Well, we've got.
Hey, have a seat.
So cute. So small. Alright, this is one that we're debating between.
It's got the 6-pump valve system too, so it's got so it feels faster.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get out your picture, babe.
What do you think, baby boy? Do you like this boat? Do you like this boat?
You probably could.
Huh?
I haven't sold both.
Oh, really? You like this one? Should we go look at the other boat?
I think he's gonna be around there.
Let's see its competition. Yeah.
But literally come in.
Hello. I forgot to show this to you before we started digging in, but I have the herb crushed salmon with crispy mashed potatoes. It's delicious. Justin got the steak frites. Is that how you say it? Frites. And Cade is having some mashed potato. So Justin, how was your lunch?
It was good.
We were supposed to go look at RVs and take Cade to an indoor playground, but since it's the weekend, we are going to go have a drink instead. Right, babe?
Yeah.
It's a terrible angle. I'm not. Hey guys, we are making a very last minute trip to Kelowna, BC, which is about 7 hours from where we live. We have a day and a half to do this, so it's going to be a lot of driving, but as you saw, we were looking for a boat, and the boat that we like is in Kelowna. So we already did all the paperwork, and now we just have to go pick it up. So we decided not to bring Cade because that's a really rough road trip for him. So he's gonna go to Grandma's. We're gonna drop him off right now, and then we'll be on our way. So wish us luck.
That plastic box that came out of your truck with some red straps
Oh
and
yeah,
stuff.
I do need that, but I don't need it.
Oh,
I've been looking for it.
yeah, you have one next to
Bye, baby.
He was not happy.
So Justin's making fun of me because I packed our bag in a cooler bag. But I don't know, I just really like it. What is wrong with that?
We have a perfect weekend suitcase that she could have put it in.
It's tunnel time. Are you excited, Jeff?
Yep. Sure am.
Guys, that was literally the scariest drive I've ever been on. We were going down the highway. It got pitch black out. The fog just came on like crazy. It was pitch black. Heavy, heavy fog. Heavy rain. No lines painted on the highways. Semi trucks blinding us. We could not see anything. My legs hurt. I haven't like blinked in about an hour. But we made it, and we're at the car wash because that's where Justin likes to calm his nerves. I'll show you the truck tomorrow and maybe you'll understand. But yeah, we're gonna go check into our hotel now. All right, we are getting to our motel because that's about all you get here is these classy motel rooms. So let's see how it is. I'm a little scared. I'm not a big motel fan. Here we go. Oh, it's actually not too bad. It smells good. Nice bed linens. Here's a tour of our room. Oh, bathroom. Not that bad. So guys, this is really crappy. We're in Kelowna to pick up our boat from the storage place called Malibu Marine. This is where the guy we're buying it from stores his boat, and it's not coming home with us today. It is literally packed in storage behind like these huge massive boats. They can't move it. They didn't realize we were coming today to pick it up. The guy we bought it from says he called to tell them, but I don't know. Looks like we're the only ones here getting screwed. So I'm gonna show you where the boat is sitting.
So can we have a chat for a minute?
So the boat is way back behind there, and they have to move these giant boats. Like, it's not coming out. So how are you feeling about this?
Not extremely happy. No boat. It's almost May. I don't know what we're gonna do.
What would you have done differently there? So basically, they're gonna store the boat for free for us. Ooh. And detail and stuff. Summarize it.
And give us a board rack.
Yeah, we get a board rack.
Clamping
And
board rack,
it
which
cost-
actually is, if you were to buy one, it would be about $2,100 to buy one.
Yeah, but he can't even find the board rack that he was
He
going to
hasn't
give
found
to
it
us,
yet.
so it most likely will get forgotten by the time we come and pick it up. But
It's a crappy day.
yeah, really bad. So a little bit of
Imposing.
change of plans. We decided, since we had such an awful morning, that we were just going to fly back to Calgary, leave the truck here, and come back in a few weeks to get the truck and the boat together so we can at least enjoy our day on beautiful Kelowna Lake. Yeah, Okanagan. Is that what it's called? And just enjoy ourselves. And then we'll fly back. We'll get home at probably a little earlier than we would have if we drove, because it's only a 50-minute flight. So, yeah, stay tuned. So we are at the Delta in Kelowna. It's so beautiful. We are going to have a cocktail and just enjoy our day. Oh, hey.
Went to buy a boat. Ended up with this.
So Justin thought it would be a good idea to bring his tools with him from the car, and we got held up at security for like half an hour. Almost missed our flight, which would have been great. So we lost 2 tools, and of course the ones he wanted the most. So we're headed back to Calgary. Hey guys, so we're back. We're in an Uber right now, and I think we're gonna end the vlog here. So just bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this and subscribe down below so that you can be entered for my giveaway, and we'll see you next time. Bye.